In this video, we'll look at the new batch export options in the Storage Explorer. These features are designed for project managers and admins who need to export multiple projects without opening each one in Closed Caption Creator. To start, choose Open Project from the welcome screen. From here, navigate to a folder containing your projects. You can select multiple projects at once using the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, which gives you the option to batch export them. Batch Export uses presets. To export, click Batch Export and choose a preset you've already created. If you haven't created a preset yet, here's how. Close the Storage Explorer, create a new event group, and go to File, Export, and select Subtitle File. This is where you set up your preset. For example, to export an SRT file at 25 frames per second with formatting and positioning included, configure those options here. But instead of clicking Export, click Save Preset. Now, when you open the Storage Explorer, select the projects you want and click Batch Export. Your preset will be available in the menu. Choose it, click Batch Export, and your projects begin exporting right away. This is much faster than opening each project individually and exporting one at a time.